ain't really me if I ain't sweating. Shit. It's always hot. Always. Hey guys, it's me, Keisha Beee. I am back with another video. I know, we're not gonna talk about how long it's been. Just keep watching the video. So as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be talking about the Master Cleanse. I completed 13 days of the Master Cleanse. I'm going to refrain from calling this cleanse a challenge. I wasn't on a challenge. I needed to jumpstart my health journey again, as I've done so many times, but this time I am proud to say that I've stuck to it. It's been a whole year since I've actually changed my eating habits. I've worked out, and I wanted another something to just kick everything into overdrive. So I decided to do the Master Cleanse. I have to say that the Master Cleanse was not easy, however it was very rewarding. I am not a physician, so I would suggest that you consult with your physician before you start this particular cleanse. I did not consult with my physician. I just started it. Any hoosers, I'm just going to get right into the Q&A. I'd gotten a lot of questions while I was on the cleanse about how to go about it. This is actually what I did that worked for me. So again, I would suggest that you speak with your physician before you start any type of regimen to change your eating, working out, anything like that, because you don't want to do more harm than you're doing help for yourself. So the first question I got was, what is the Master Cleanse? So the Master Cleanse is where you drink a lemonade concoction in place of your meals, all of your meals, dinner, lunch, and breakfast. In addition to that, at night, you're going to drink an 8-ounce glass of a laxative tea. I picked up the Smooth Move tea by Traditional Medicinals in the peppermint flavor. Once the tea works through the night, in the morning when you wake up, you will do your business. You know what I'm saying? Get it all out. Then you'll drink, which I found was the hardest thing to do on this cleanse, a Seesaw Flush. The Seesaw Flush is 1 quart of lukewarm or room temperature water with 2 teaspoons of sea salt. You'll mix that around, kind of let it sit so the sea salt crystals dissolve, and you will try to get that down, meaning drink it within no more than about 7 to 10 minutes. That really worked. I mean, I think that sea salt flush was getting some stuff that had been in my system for a long time. You can do this cleanse minimum of 10 days if you want it to work. If you want it to super work, there's a maximum of 40 days. They do not suggest that you go past 40 days. What's in the lemonade drink? So the lemonade concoction consists of water, pure lemon juice, pure lemon juice. Let me repeat that. Not the lemon concentrate, not in the bottle, not lemonade, not simply lemonade, fresh squeezed lemon juice. Maple syrup, 100% grade A pure amber maple syrup, and also cayenne pepper. How much of each ingredient is required? A gallon will last me all day pretty much, and I would make my gallon at the start of the day. That would basically get me to about maybe like about 4 o'clock, somewhere around there. So my gallon would be 16 ounces of water, 2 cups of the maple syrup, 2 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and that will be anywhere between 8 and 10 lemons. And the cayenne pepper quantity is completely up to you. I like my food spicy, so I could actually take it. I know that there's a great benefit in cayenne pepper. Not only does it help to speed up your metabolism, it works to neutralize what's going on in your body. Don't quote me on that. I don't know if I read that somewhere, if I just made it up, but anyway. Can I eat or drink anything on the cleanse? That's completely up to you. If you want this cleanse to work, you will abide by the rules of the cleanse. The purpose is to just kind of flush everything out. Now, I will say, if you are experiencing any side effects like dizziness or headaches, I would say to stop the cleanse immediately and eat you something, like a piece of fruit or maybe a piece of bread. What does each ingredient do? Okay, so I jotted down some notes, and I want to be specific, so bear with me while I read to you. The water hydrates you. The maple syrup provides a caloric intake since you're not eating, as well as the vitamins. The lemon juice helps to break all the bad stuff down and also gives you vitamins like vitamin C, citric acid, flavonoids, B complex vitamins, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and fiber. And the cayenne pepper helps to eliminate the mucus. There you go. I knew it did something aside from speed up your metabolism. It eliminates the mucus, and when you're going to the bathroom, if you decide to take a look, you will see mucus. So get ready. Can I take vitamins? I personally didn't take any vitamins while I was on the cleanse because I allowed the lemons to provide all of the vitamins that I needed. But again, consult with your physician, and that's completely up to you. Can I exercise? I didn't, because I wasn't eating anything. I just put my workout on pause. I walked from my front door to my car, or to the refrigerator, and that's about as much exercise as I did. I was not about to pass out somewhere. Wasn't gonna find me on the ground. Nope, nope. I wouldn't suggest it, but it's up to you. It's all about what you can handle. Can I skip the Seesaw Flush and the laxative? I actually would not suggest that because I believe that to be a very important part of the cleanse. While you're drinking the lemonade and that's helping to break everything up, you need something to flush that out. So that's what the laxative and the Seesaw Flush does. And these are both pretty natural elements to kind of help get things moving along. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't skip over those two steps. Are there any side effects? Yeah, there are side effects. Hunger. Hunger is one of the side effects, and the stress of knowing that you can't eat a Popeye's biscuit and that tequila in the store, you can't add it to your lemonade concoction and make a margarita. But you should power through that because the results are rewarding. Seriously, I did break out into a rash because it is said that when you're doing a cleanse, a lot of the toxins will come to the surface of your skin to be released. It's very similar to eating greasy foods and getting a pimple. Also, this cleanse can be related to emotions. Your emotions can kind of be stored up in different parts of your body, and the cleanse will help to bring that out. So be cognizant of that. And if you're familiar with your chi, you'll know that your emotions and your skin and your mental are all linked together. My doctor said the cleanse isn't good for me. Okay. Listen to your doctor. Like I said, I'm not a physician. Consult with your physician and either do what your physician says or decide not to do what your physician says. It's your life. It's your life. How much weight will I lose? Well, that all depends on your commitment to the cleanse. Everybody's body is different. I lost 11 pounds. What you put into this cleanse is what you'll get out of it. If you commit to it, you will lose some weight. I don't know how much that will be, but you will lose some weight. The point is, after the cleanse, to consistently keep up with your health journey by eating better, drinking more water, and incorporating exercise into your regimen. That's why I said I wanted to refrain from calling it a challenge, because the word challenge to me lends itself to just a one-time thing. You want to keep going because you'll feel better and you'll look better and you'll want to be better. Can I make enough of the drink to last me a week? I wouldn't suggest that. If you make it fresh, it has better benefits. But again, it's up to you. It is all based on how you want this cleanse to work for you. If you have instructions to put a bookshelf together, you're not going to leave out a couple of screws just because you don't want to screw them in. Because why? The bookshelf might fall. So the best thing to do is just abide by the instructions of the cleanse, stick to it. If you're not mentally ready to do it, then don't do it. Even if you get into it and you go 4 days, that's better than no days. It's definitely going to take some commitment, and the commitment is to following the rules of the cleanse like they state to do. What if I start to get sick? Well, I would say then you need to stop the cleanse. I know for me, it was all mental. I knew if this is something that I wanted to do and I wanted to complete. But I also knew that if I started to feel a certain way, I wasn't going to jeopardize everything just to complete it. I was going to stop it. But everybody's body is different. So if you start to feel a certain way, again, headaches, dizziness, lightheadedness, stop. Just stop. And then start it again if you like. If you start it and you have to stop it because of health reasons, then stop it by all means. Cleanse complete, now what? You cannot go right back into just eating normally. You have to introduce yourself back into the food. I have provided a link in the description bar, and it links to a pamphlet that gives you a whole lot more information about the Master Cleanse, and it also includes a recipe of the post Master Cleanse vegetable soup that you will start to eat. I believe it's 1 to 2 days after you complete the cleanse, and then you'll go back into your regimen, and I hope that your eating regimen is way better than it was before. Do not defeat the purpose of all of the work that you've put into completing the cleanse and the success you'll have once you're done by going and getting a butter sandwich. Don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Also, one of the things that I actually did while I was on the cleanse is I told one friend, and I deemed her my accountability partner. I would say tell one person, don't tell everybody, because you know you have those out there, the minute they see you with a toothpick, I thought you was on the cleanse. It's like you don't need anybody discouraging you or judging you or doing, leave that alone. So just tell someone that you trust. Tell a person that you know is very supportive of your health journeys. And it would be good if this person was also on a health journey themselves, because they can relate a little more, as opposed to someone who is not ready to do that. We should all be taking care of ourselves. You get one life to live. That concludes the video of the Master Cleanse. I hope this was very informative for you. I will be coming back with more videos talking about my health journey. I'm not on a diet. I had a goal weight set, and I'm actually 4 pounds away from that. But I started to realize the most important thing was, how do I feel now? Do I feel good now? I feel good now. How would I feel if I met my goal weight? I would feel good, but the main thing is I feel good now. Again, I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos coming on the way, and I hope you guys have a grateful week. I'll see you guys later. Bye.